So now people must be wondering, he's an animal lover and there is no conversation about animal. I wanted to keep this entire conversation for the end because there is a lot to talk about here. This is one thing we share in common. And what's the first memory that you have about, when did it start for you? Like for me, it started when I got one small puppy when I was 6 or 7 home. And after that, we just raised the puppy.
Yeah.
Right. So that's when it started for me. How did it start for you?
Yeah, for me, same. I was born into a house with a dog. We had a Spitz called Rocky. We lost him when I was in my 8th or something. 3 months later, we bought a German Shepherd. Very embarrassing now, but we did that.
But तब किसी को पता नहीं था ना?
नहीं पता था यार. The best thing that happened to us was Buzo. That was our German Shepherd. He is, again, very docile, loving. And my mom and my brother and me used to live in a one-room kitchen house in DN Nagar. And obviously no father, right? 3 of us. We had 13 dogs at one point because basically we started... So it started with Buzo, then गली के बिल्डिंग के कुत्ते, फिर वो गली के कुत्ते, गली के बाजू वाली गली के कुत्ते, खाना खिलाना चालू किया, then fighting चालू किया लोगों से because obviously people will always oppose कि खाना मत दो, इधर खाना मत दो, उधर खाना मत दो. I'm like क्या खाना मत दो, like, and I was young man that time, like, but very feisty. And my mother, if you meet na, she is next level. मतलब फाड़ देगी लोगों को, and she'll fight with anybody and she doesn't care, she's just like, don't fuck with the dogs, sorry. So we basically started feeding the gali and baju wala gali dogs. Then mom started the salon. So that was in Juhu. तो अभी घर से जूहू जाते जाते जितने कुत्ते दिख रहे हैं वो उधर चालू हो गया, फिर वो से चालू करके पूरा जूहू का वो JBBD एरिया वी स्टार्टेड फीडिंग. So and at some point it was every day a 3-hour job in a rickshaw. We were doing this after shutting the salon. We had a fixed rickshaw वाला, चिकन और राइस बन रहा है, और मॉम और मैं जा रहे हैं, बारिश जो भी हो दोनों जा रहे हैं, मैं गटर में उतर रही हूँ, वो गटर में उतर रही है. That time she could do it more. Then we started, and one of my mom's clients is a very well-known vet called Dr. Sunita Patel, the best. She basically was helping mom neuter these animals at no cost at that point. So we had started neutering the female dogs at that point. And then because again they were stray dogs, so that post-op and all that के लिए घर पे आते थे. घर पे आते थे, 10 दिन रख दिया, उसके बाद अभी कैसे छोड़ सकते हैं रोड पे, ऐसे करके घर में 13 कुत्ते हो गए. Then we were like, Achha, there's no place for us. And it's a one-room kitchen, and it was very small house. And we have a German Shepherd in the house, do not forget that. So I don't know how we were living. It sounds disgusting, but it was the best thing that happened. There were just dogs everywhere. So yeah, I mean, it just started happening. Like it was like that. Then I started working. So for me, my connection with the stray dogs reduced in terms of like going and feeding and stuff. But मेरी मम्मी फंस गई उसमें, और वो अभी भी फंसी हुई है. She's 65 years old. She's still feeding dogs through COVID, through whatever, still fighting with the cops, people, anybody.
The fighting hasn't changed, no?
No, it can't.
20 years later, we are still like that.
We have to fight.
No, but society hasn't improved. Like the objections haven't reduced.
Yeah, they are mad. They are like mental. I don't understand people. I just don't get it. And like some of them now who... Never mind. Yeah, but basically it started from that. And now because I can't physically do a lot myself, I try to do it in, in a form where I can either speak about it or I can use my Instagram to post about something, like whatever little, And I feel that whatever little, if all the people start doing, then it can be a lot.
I'm glad you made it this far, and thank you for watching this episode. Looking forward for your support for all my future episodes. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.